No, you didn't. Devoted to the reason that I wrote this song. Always chasing something when we had it all along. They say home is where the heart is. Well, mine's forever's in these songs, and always with my daughter. Cause the world is filled with problems. I'ma try my best to block them, but you know you can't stop the sun from ever rising. Shit, that's like trying to stop these punk-ass politicians lying. See, the country stays divided, so keep your family by your side at all times and hold no grudges. You see that pain? That pain's a fucking daily struggle, constantly replaying through the past. Now I'm smoking, sipping, cruising, swerving with 100 on the dash, thinking I can stop this pain right now if I make this motherfucker crash. Shit, I'm going mad, I'm losing it. You do the man, life is filled with moments. Some songs to those devoted, so I wrote this here for all who feeling hopeless. I feel that. Oh man, so many days. That's nice. Just gotta keep moving forward, man. Someone's told me, can I move on? Can I move forward? So that's what we gonna do. Raindrops of my past trickle down into my life right now. I'm far from who I used to be, but still don't know if that shit's good or bad. But fuck it, let the present be the present, and let the past be the past. Cause every day's a blessing, we don't know how long it lasts. And we all gon' see them gates, and ain't nobody gon' see us looking back. So this one's for the day, we gotta live for those who can't. See, everyone wanna complain about all of the little shit, but forget to see the bigger picture. See, there's times that you go all in, and then there's times you gotta get in position. You do that shit, you see the future like a premonition. But the world be hella janky, it ain't like it says in the description. You gotta get in where you fit in. That shit is real, it ain't no motherfucking cliche. Gotta appreciate people fight and pave the way. So when life teaches you a lesson, you better pay the fuck attention. Like a message in the clouds, you all know that it's coming from a motherfucking higher power. Gotta rise above the hype. See, life does have a price, but wasn't meant for you to sell your soul. You gotta see between the lines, homes. But honestly, how the fuck you gonna sell some shit that isn't really even yours? A lot of inquiring minds that wanna know, cause you burdened with decision and your mission, missing hope. So you were feeling homes.